There are animals on our planet whose existence is very difficult to believe. Their appearance, lifestyle, physiological characteristics are so unusual, strange and amazing that they perplex not only ordinary people, but also scientists. Sometimes it's impossible to believe that these are real creatures and not the invention of science fiction writers. So let's take a look at just a few of them. The axolotl is a species of salamander found exclusively in the waters of Mexico. This unique creature has the ability to regenerate its limbs, spinal cord, heart, and other vital organs. Scientists have been studying the axolotl's regenerative abilities for decades, hoping to unlock the secrets of this incredible process and apply it to medicine. Axolotls are also unusual in that they remain in a juvenile state throughout their lives, meaning they never fully mature into adults. They have external gills protruding from their necks, which they use to breathe underwater. Axolotls are carnivorous and feed on small fish, insects, and other aquatic creatures. Unfortunately, the axolotl is endangered in the wild due to habitat loss and pollution. Efforts are being made to conserve the species, including captive breeding programs and the creation of protected habitats in their native range. The Yeti crab is a deep-sea inhabitant discovered in 2005 off the coast of Antarctica. This crab is unique in that it is covered in a thick layer of light-colored hair-like threads, giving it a resemblance to the mythical creature of the Yeti from Himalayan folklore. The Yeti crab is adapted to life in extreme conditions. Its habitat is located near hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. These vents release superheated water and chemicals, providing the crab with a source of energy and nutrients. The crab has special appendages that it uses to grow bacteria that grow in hydrothermal vents, which it then eats. Despite its strange appearance and unique adaptations, little is known about the Yeti crab. Only a few specimens have been collected, and researchers are still studying this mysterious creature to learn more about its biology and ecology. The Starnosed Mole is a small burrowing mammal native to the wetlands of eastern North America. It is unique in that it has a distinctive star-shaped nose covered in 22 fleshy appendages or rays. These rays are very sensitive and contain over 25,000 sensory receptors, giving the mole an incredibly keen sense of touch. The star-nosed mole uses its unique nose to detect prey, which it catches by pressing its nose into the ground and feeling for movements. A mole's nose can move so quickly that it can identify and catch prey in just 230 milliseconds, making it one of the fastest predators in the animal kingdom. The star-nosed mole is also an expert swimmer and can hold its breath for up to 10 minutes. It is primarily a predator, feeding on insects, worms, and other small invertebrates. The mantis shrimp is a colorful marine crustacean that lives in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. It is famous for its powerful impact, which can generate a force of up to 1,500 newtons, enough to break aquarium glass or even crack a crab shell. Mantis shrimp have an incredibly complex visual system, with 16 color receptors compared to 3 in humans. It can also see polarized light, allowing it to detect camouflaged prey and predators. The mantis shrimp's eyes are located on stalks that can move independently and provide the shrimp with a 360-degree view of its surroundings. In addition to its impressive eyesight and striking abilities, the mantis crab is also an accomplished hunter. It feeds on a wide variety of prey, including fish, crabs, and shellfish. Its powerful claws can also be used to dig holes and defend against predators. The narwhal is a unique species of whale that lives in the Arctic waters of Canada, Greenland and Russia. The narwhal is known for its long spiral tusk, which can be up to 10 feet long. The tusk is actually a tooth that grows through the narwhal's upper lip and can be used for communication, sensing changes in the environment, and even for hunting. The narwhal is also known for its incredible diving abilities, reaching depths of up to 5,000 feet in search of food. Its diet consists of fish, squid and shrimp, and it has a specialized sensory system in its skin that allows it to detect changes in water pressure and temperature. Our next creature is the anglerfish, a deep-sea fish with a unique way of hunting. The female anglerfish has a long, thin appendage that protrudes from the top of its head and contains a light-producing organ called a photophore. This light attracts prey to the anglerfish's mouth, where it is devoured whole. What's even more fascinating is that male anglerfish are tiny compared to females and maintain a parasitic relationship with them. Once they find a mate, the male clings to the female and remains by her side forever, relying on her as a provider for the rest of his life. The tardigrade is a microscopic animal that has attracted the attention of scientists for its incredible endurance. These tiny creatures can survive extreme conditions that would kill most other living organisms, including freezing and high temperatures, radiation and the vacuum of space. Tardigrades achieve this through a process called cryptobiosis, in which they essentially shut down their metabolism and enter a state of suspended animation until conditions improve. Let's move on to another unique creature, the horseshoe crab. This living fossil has remained virtually unchanged for millions of years and is considered one of the oldest species on Earth. They have been around for over 450 million years and appeared long before the age of dinosaurs. Horseshoe crabs are found in shallow ocean waters along the Atlantic and Gulf of Mexico coasts. They have a hard exoskeleton and a distinctive horseshoe-shaped shell covering their body. They have 10 legs and can move quite quickly for their size. In fact, they are known as the fastest marine invertebrates. One of the most interesting features of the horseshoe crab is its blue blood. Their blood is used in the biomedical industry to detect bacterial endotoxins in medical devices and vaccines. This unique property of their blood is due to the presence of a substance called limulus amebocyte lysate, LAL, which clots in the presence of bacterial endotoxins. Horseshoe crabs play a critical role in the ecosystem as they provide food for many species such as migratory shorebirds and sea turtles. Their eggs also serve as a food source for many marine animals. Octopus Dumbo is a unique deep-sea creature that gets its name from its resemblance to the Disney character Dumbo the elephant. This creature has a unique appearance with fins resembling ears and a mantle resembling a head. The Dumbo octopus is a deep-sea animal and lives at depths of up to 13,000 feet. They are usually found in the cold, dark waters of the Arctic and Antarctic oceans. These octopuses are quite small, with a typical size of about 8 inches. They have 8 arms covered with a thin layer of skin that help them move through the water. They are also known for their large, expressive eyes. One of the most unique features of Dumbo the octopus is his ability to swim. Unlike most octopuses, which use jet propulsion to swim, Dumbo the octopus flaps its fins to move through the water. This makes them one of the few known octopus species that does not use jet propulsion. Blobfish. This strange creature has become something of an internet sensation due to its unusual appearance. This is a deep-sea fish that lives in the waters off the coast of Australia and Tasmania. The blobfish has a gelatinous, blob-like body, devoid of muscles and bones. It is covered with soft, fleshy skin that hangs and folds from the body. The lack of bones is an adaptation to the extreme pressure of the deep-sea environment in which it lives. The blobfish has a relatively small mouth, which it uses to feed on small crustaceans and other creatures passing by. Despite its unattractive appearance, the blobfish is actually completely harmless to humans. In conclusion, these 10 creatures we looked at today are truly incredible and unique. From the protective armor of the horseshoe crab to the tardigrade's ability to survive in extreme environments, these creatures have adapted in amazing ways to survive in their habitat. While some of these creatures may seem strange or even otherworldly, they are a testament to the diversity and complexity of life on our planet.